another warning out. Oh my gosh. Dang. Never mind, I was lying. Those aren't the other warnings. I live right in here. They expanded it. And they put another warning up here. Let's, back to the classic. Wow. Oh, look at that hook. Right there. That's what I'm talking about. Alright.
I mentioned the city of Medina on standby. I put Brunswick Hills, Valley City into basement mode right now. This is not a significant circulation that I'm seeing, but it is still some rotation and certainly something that bears some watching. So I know everybody is kind of getting tired of up, down, but this is unfortunately what we have to do in these types of situations. And, you know, I back it out a little bit, and I want to show you again. The light bulb goes off.
Another one? Holy crap.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for South Central Cuyahoga County, Northern Summit County, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar
They just keep
indicated
issuing
a severe
warnings.
thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 13 miles southwest of Macedonia or 9 miles southeast of Strongsville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Twinsburg and Hudson. Urgent weather message.